Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel Boston Controls, and today we are going to learn how to use Sweet Home 3D. So I will first take you through this software. So you can click on here and go on to the settings. So if you go here, you can choose the thickness, height and the thickness of the wall. So right now I will keep it like this. And to draw 3D from the 2D, all you need to do is to trace these lines. So to do that, click on the create wall and just start tracing the lines. So I will first go through the outer boundary. I will make the outer boundary first. So here, 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 and like this you can trace the boundaries. Then you can come inside and start tracing the inner boundaries or the walls. You can create the walls. As I am showing it as a demo, so I will not be making the whole thing. I might miss one or two walls or frames, don't mind it, but this is how it works. So once you are done with tracing, your actually half of the work is done. So let me finish it and then maybe we can start. Okay, so I have almost completed this. So once you are done, you can adjust it a little bit. Click on the arrow or the pen icon. If you click on the pen, you can move it, and you click on the arrow. You can use the shift button and your mouse cursor to move it. Also use the arrow keys to move it. Control and mouse cursor to zoom in and zoom out. And once you're done with the walls, you need to put the doors. So to do that, you need to come into the library and pick up the doors. I will use these door frames, really simple ones, to just showcase how I am doing it. So once you have taken one object from the library, you do not need to drag and drop each time. You can just do Control C and Control V. Once you do that, you can also adjust by dragging dropping these arrow lines. The height of the wall, the height of the window frames or door frames can be increased or decreased. You can also increase and decrease the elevation from here, and you can also increase or decrease the height. Okay, so I will keep the height 3.5, and now I will go Control C, Control V. I will put it here. Just give me a second. So you can adjust your doors and all like this. And once you are done, all you need to do is to create the room. So click on the create room, double click these spaces, it will create rooms for you. If your structure is not this simple, what you can do is go on the sides of these walls. It will show you a sticky circle. You can choose that and create a wall. So once you are done, to get out of this selection, you need to press the escape button. And once you are done, you can put some textures or colors to these rooms. For example, let's say I want to put this one some color. So let's choose a brick. What's this? Yeah, a brick texture. I will choose that. Then I can choose all different kind of colors to show all different kind of rooms in my floor plan. And once you are done, you need to select all by Control A or with your mouse. Right click here, modify walls, and you can set the you can set the height of your wall. So I will keep it 4. Okay, now I can drag it up and you will see my 3D floor plan. So click here, modify 3D view. I will remove this. So now you can see it looks really very cool, and you can change the colors. By the way, if you don't like one, like I don't like it here, I can change to blue. I can change this to, let's say, some other color like wooden. And once I go up, I can see a 3D model. I can just rotate it and see if everything looks fine. And you can set a view just press the control button and your mouse scroll up, it will zoom in, and you can store the point of view and then create on 3D image. You can set the quality of the image you want to render here. So I have kept it like 3:30 p.m. of the afternoon, and the date you can choose any date, and you can choose two ways, sunflow and rough array. Both the options are available, and you can click create, and it will start creating the image. So once it just renders up, I will show you the quality of this image. And after this image is rendered, you can save it and use it in any of your application. For example, if you are trying to showcase this to your customer, then you can showcase this into your presentations or on your website or on your building management system, or to give services to some of the building owners who want to sell their apartments or flats, or even to your neighbors who want to design a home. You can be the designer, a 3D designer, not the real one, of course. So this is the perfect tool if you want to do 2D to 3D conversion. And yes, of course, it will depend upon the type of processor in your computer. It might take longer than usual. For me, I'm using a MacBook, so it's really pretty very fast on this MacBook Air. And it takes very small amount of time for me to render the images. So once it's done, you can click on save and save it. Okay, and close it, and then file save. You can give it any name, and then let's see what kind of image quality we have. So this is something we have actually, and let me maximize it. So this is what we got. So now you learned today how to make 3D floor plans. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you learned something and want to ask any questions, if you have any doubt, please comment down and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. See you again.